Hey, quick question. Have you ever left a meeting, a date, or even a casual chat thinking, why the hell did they look at me like I'm clueless? Or worse, you walk in feeling sharp as hell, but 5 minutes later, everyone's nodding politely while their eyes glaze over. Yeah, I've been there. And it wasn't because I'm actually dumb, it was because of three sneaky little habits that were quietly making me look way less intelligent than I really am. Stick with me for the next 4 minutes because I'm about to show you the exact 3 habits that are ruining smart people every single day. And the third one? Man, it's the silent killer. By the end, you'll know exactly what to fix today to instantly look sharper, more confident, and actually respected. Let's jump in. Number 1, the filler word trap. You know what I mean? I used to do this all the time. Every sentence had like 3 likes and 2 ums. I thought it made me sound chill and relatable. Nope. Studies show it actually makes people think you're less confident and less sure of yourself. Imagine this. You're explaining a great idea at work, and instead of saying, we should launch next month, you say, so basically, like, we should probably, launch next month or something? Boom. Instant downgrade. From this guy's brilliant to, he seems unsure. The fix is very simple. Pause. Just pause. Record yourself talking for 60 seconds on your phone. Count the fillers. Then practice speaking slower and replace those fillers with silence. Do this for 1 week and you'll sound like a completely different person. I did it. My boss literally said, "You seem more put together lately." But wait, that's just the words. The next habit is completely silent, and it's destroying your image even when you're saying nothing. Habit number 2, sloppy body language. Slouching, fidgeting, and 0 eye contact. Your words can be genius level, but if your body is screaming, "I'm nervous and insecure," nobody hears the genius part. I caught myself on a Zoom call once, arms crossed, slouched so bad I looked like I was melting into the chair, eyes moving everywhere except the camera. My colleague later joked, "Dude, you looked like you were about to confess a crime." People naturally connect strong posture and steady eye contact with intelligence and confidence. Slouching, they think you're not interested or unsure. The fix is simple. Before any important conversation, do a 30-second power pose in private. Stand tall, shoulders back, hands on hips. Then sit or stand straight, keep your palms open, and hold eye contact for 3 to 4 seconds at a time. It feels awkward at first, but in a few days, it becomes natural, and people start treating you differently. Trust me. This one habit alone changed how my entire team sees me. Habit 3, the big one. And now, the third habit, the one that's quietly damaging your reputation the most. Interrupting or fake listening. This one hurts because we all do it without realizing. You're already planning your next sentence while the other person is still talking. Or you jump in mid-sentence because you think of something better. Here's the truth. When you interrupt or don't really listen, people instantly think you're impatient, self-centered, and not that deep. Smart people listen. They ask follow-up questions. They make others feel heard. I used to do this all the time, especially in arguments with friends. I'd cut them off, thinking I was fast and clever. But instead, I ended up losing a couple of close people before I finally understood it. The fix is powerful and simple. The 3-second rule. The moment someone finishes speaking, count to 3 in your head before you reply. Use that pause to actually understand what they said. Then ask something like, "Wait, what did you mean by that?" Or, "That's interesting, tell me more." Do this and watch how fast people start thinking, "Damn, this person gets it." It's the fastest way to look intelligent without saying a single extra word. So there you have it, the 3 habits quietly making you look less intelligent. Filler words, weak body language, and interrupting or fake listening. Quick challenge, which one are you guilty of right now? Drop it in the comments with the number 1, 2, or 3. and tag one friend who needs to hear this today. If this video just saved your next meeting or your next date, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. I drop these kind of no BS life upgrades every single week. Remember, being smart isn't just about what's in your head, it's about how you show it. Fix these 3, and people will start seeing the real you. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.